Ready to ditch cable and still catch all the ESPN action on your Roku? First things first, power on your Roku device and navigate to the home screen using your Roku remote. Scroll down and select streaming channels to access the Roku channel store. Once in the channel store, head to the search bar. It's usually located at the top of the screen. Type ESPN using the on-screen keyboard and select the ESPN app from the search results. On the ESPN app page, click Channel to download and install the app on your Roku. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, the ESPN app will now appear on your Roku home screen. Select it to launch the app. Now, depending on how you want to watch, you have two main options. If you already have a cable subscription that includes ESPN, select Login and follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate with your cable provider. Alternatively, if you don't have cable, you can subscribe to a streaming service that carries ESPN, like Sling TV, YouTube TV, or Hulu plus Live TV. Download their respective apps from the Roku channel store, subscribe to their service, and then you can stream ESPN content through their app. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy live sports, shows, and all things ESPN on your Roku. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roku tips and tricks.